cheering, get them cheering. What? What? You don't want to? Well, then I will. All right. On the count of three, all of us are going to cheer so loud it's going to make Sean want to smile. 1, 2, 3. I'm a drill sergeant. I want to hear some cheering. For you later. All right. Network yourselves into the bomb host section and then press stand. Anybody on over there? You guys having fun?
Singapore? Hong Kong?
Oh, really? I'm from play school. And the dolls must really go for you. Mrs. Potato. Hey, watch it! What's my ear? What's my ear? Did you see my ear? What's going on down there? What's it taking? I got that to his head. Hey!
Thank you all for your kind welcome. Now listen, everyone. This is Belton Circa has been secretly building a weapon with a destructive force to annihilate an entire planet. I know your information reveals this weapon from the weakness, but I can't stop him alone. Will you help me, please? All right, stand back, everyone. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. To infinity and beyond.
It's great to see you. Didn't Sarge and the Green Army men do a great job? These guys are the best. They are professionals. Well, pull my string if it isn't. Howdy, partner. All right, folks. How about a nice Toy Story